How you guys doing today? My name is Tony Gonzalez with Lumien Lighting, and today I'm going to show you the versatility of our Quick Connect system. As you see here, this fixture right here is created with our nano knuckle, a downlight shroud, and one of our bases. I'm going to show you how you can easily convert this into a path light with 2 extra accessories. So you rotate and remove your nano knuckle out of the mount, which uses our Quick Connect system. Now I can take any of our risers, whether it's a 4-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch, 12-inch, 16-inch, connect it into the same base. Now my power has traveled from the base up to the top of the riser. Now at this time I have the option of just screwing the nano knuckle back on here, or using one of our accessory pieces like this piece here. So if I screw this down here, now the power has transferred from the riser to the front of this accessory, which now allows me to connect the nano knuckle, and I've created a completely different fixture for that customer.